Hi, I'm Tien.
And I'm Ian.
This is our house we built with Carlisle. I remember, let's say 5 years ago, before we even had kids, me and my husband used to go to a lot of display houses. I was looking at it and wishing, hopefully one day we can have the exact same home. And look, the dream came true. In this house right now, it's me, myself, my husband, and both of my kids. Plus, my brother also lives with us. My parents travel back and forth every year to visit us because they're still living in Russia. What I love about this house is we've got like 5 people living here, and each of us have got our own bedrooms. My kids, they can spend their time in a rumpus room playing with all their toys. And sometimes we've got friends coming over, they just sit, we can have dinners. It's really good space for family and friends. Before we decided to build with Carlisle, we did look at the other builders as well. We even deposited, but after a couple of researches and looking at some comments and reviews on Facebook groups, we took out our deposit and we went to Carlisle because we've seen that Carlisle, they have got a lot of people that have built and have got a lot of positive experience.
The reason why we moved here to St Albans is because my parents literally live like 2 minutes away from here.
Because for him, location was everything. And for me, I didn't care about the location because I was working from home. What I wanted is the house design, the feel of the space. And eventually he asked me like, so maybe do you want to build something? So we will have both location and a good house. So, and as soon as he mentioned that, so the Rothbury atrium grant, whatever. The whole communication from the beginning to the end was actually amazing. Our site supervisor, he was keeping us on top of everything. Our slab was put at the end of Feb and the handover was done at the end of September. So it took Carlisle about 6 months to build 51 square house, which is pretty amazing and fast. We used to drive past almost every day, and I remember the day that we drove past and all the frame were up. I was like, oh my God, it's happening, you know? I feel very lucky that Carlisle offered the flexibility of changing the floor plan. So that way we were able to change our lounge room into our master bedroom. So that way my parents, when they come over from Russia to live with us, they can stay downstairs. We are so proud that we were able to build this home and to see our kids growing in this beautiful house. The most important thing that I can also live here with my parents as a big family. So pretty much like 3 generations, my parents, myself, and it's beautiful. And hopefully one day we can build another bigger house with Carlisle.